Hello my dear students, today we are going to start with our new unit. It's unit 5, which is called the transportation, lesson 1. Now open your student book at page 66 please. Now transportation means it's the way or the vehicle that helps you in order to move from one place to another place or to travel from one place to another place. For example, when you go to school, how do you go to school? I go to school by car. So the car is the vehicle or the way that helps you to move from your house to your school. So this car is called the transportation mean. What about the bus? The same. The bus is a transportation mean. The same for the airplane. It's a transportation mean. So any vehicle or any way that helps us to move from one place to another place is called transportation mean. Now, in page 66 in your student book, now exercise number 1, look, listen and read. We have 2 boys and 2 girls. The first boy is saying, "What can you see?" He's asking the girl. The girl is saying, "I can see a bus." The other boy is saying, "I can see 2 motorbikes." Then the girl is saying, "Look, I can see a train." Then the boy is saying, I can't see a boat." What can you see? Now, exercise number 1 in page 67. Open please your student's book at page 67. Exercise number 1, look, listen and say. We have different kinds of transportation means and we are going to know each one. The first one is a car. Number 2, bicycle. Number 3, motorbike. Number 4, it's a truck. Number 5, it's a train. Number 6, of course, it's a bus. It's a bus. Number 7, it's a van. This is a van. Number 8, boat. Number 9, airplane. Number 10, subway train. And number 11, traffic lights. Of course, all of us know that traffic lights. This red light, it means stop. The yellow one means get ready. And the green one means go. All of those pictures, all of those are called transportation means. They are transportation means. All of those vehicles are helping us to move from one place to another place. Exercise number 2 at the same page, page 67, ask and answer. Here we have a boy and a girl. They are talking together according to the picture beside them. The boy is saying or asking the girl, "What can you see?" Look at the picture. What can you see? The girl is saying, "I can see a bus." He's asking, "Can you see a bicycle?" Look at the picture. Is there any bicycle? No, I can't see a bicycle. Okay. Okay, now can you tell me, what can you see? I can see a car. I can see a tree. I can see a house. Now, can. We use the verb can in order to before any verb. We use the verb can before any verb. We have personal pronoun, can, and then a verb. Like for example, I can jump. I, personal pronoun, can, and then verb jump. I can jump. We use this verb can before any verb in order to say that I am able to do something. I have the ability to do something. Okay? It shows us that there is ability. There is ability. Okay, in the affirmative form, we put the personal pronoun at the beginning of the sentence or the noun. And we said before that the personal pronouns are I, he, she, it, we, you, they. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Those are the personal pronouns in English language. Or any noun instead of this personal pronoun. Instead of he, we can say Ahmad. Instead of she, we can say Rania. Instead of it, we can say the cat, the dog, or the bird. Okay? A noun or a personal pronoun at the beginning of the sentence, then we put can, and after can, we put a verb in infinitive or in the stem as it is. We don't change anything in the verb. We don't put anything at the end of the verb. It's as it is in infinitive or in the stem, and we don't change the verb. I can jump. Jump, we don't change jump. I can run fast. Run here is the same, we don't change the verb run. Okay, this is in the affirmative form. What about the negative? We said before, negative means not. Negative means not. So I must put not in the sentence. So when we said in the affirmative form, I can, in the negative, I cannot, can't. I cannot or I can't. He cannot or he can't. She cannot or she can't. And after can or can't, we put the verb as it is in infinitive. She can't fly, for example. Okay? In the interrogative or in the question form, we said that in the affirmative form or negative form, we put the personal pronoun at the beginning of the sentence. Personal pronoun or noun, then verb can, then another verb after it in the stem or in infinitive form. But in the interrogative or question form, I put can before the personal pronoun or the noun. I can, he can will be can he, she can will be can she, it can it. So I change and I put can at the beginning of the sentence. I put can at the beginning of the sentence and then the personal pronoun and then the verb in the stem or in the infinitive as it is, and complete the sentence. And don't forget the question mark. Don't forget the question mark. So when we use verb can, we use it to say that there is someone who is able to do something. There is someone who is able to do something. We put the personal pronoun or the noun, then verb can or can't in the negative, then verb in the stem or in the affirmative or in the as it is in the stem. But in the interrogative or the question, we don't put at the beginning of the sentence personal pronoun and then can. We change it. We make a scissor or a cross and we put can at the beginning of the sentence and then I or he or she or it or we or you or they or a noun or a noun. Now we have here examples. Birds can fly, but we cannot fly. Can, here can comes at the beginning of the sentence, so it's a question. It's a question. Now, can they speak English? And then a question mark. The answer will be yes, they can, or no, they cannot or can't. Because no means negative, negative means not. No means negative, negative means not. Okay, now there is a reminder. We have cannot equals can't. We make it in the short form, can't. Note, we said before in the present simple tense or in any question in English language, when we want to change the sentence into a question, we change I or we into you in the question. We change I or we into you in the question. What about when we want to answer this question? I turn you into I or we again. Okay, I will turn this you in the question into I or we again. Here we have you in the question is changed into I in the answer. And also you in the question is changed into we in the answer. Okay, can you, when I ask you, my student, can you see a bus? You will answer yes, I can, or no, I can't. If I'm asking all of the class, can you see the board? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Okay, so when you see you in the question, you are changing it into I or we in the answer. Remember, can you see a car? Yes, I can. No, I can't. When we see can at the beginning of the sentence, it's a question, and we are going to answer with yes or no. This is a yes or no question. You are going to answer with yes or no when you find can at the beginning of the sentence, and you are going to use verb can while you are answering. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, we can. No, we can't. But when I say to you, what can you see? I'm asking about something you are seeing. So, what can you see? You will answer, I can see a bus, I can see a board, I can see a cat, I can see a dog. So, you are going to give me a full sentence, not yes or no, because I'm using the word what. What can you see? You are going to explain to me what can you see. I can see a board, a tree, a bus. So you are going to talk and express what can you see. Okay, now open your student's book at page 68. Now we have a song and we are going to see the pictures and write the name of each picture beside it. Now we have a words box. We can see cars, van, train, trucks, motorbikes, bus, bicycle. Now we are going to look, listen, and complete. Sing. What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? Please show me. I can see 4, and we have the picture of a car. So 4 cars. Write cars with the S plural because 4 more than 1. A bus. We have the picture of a bus. And this is a picture of a van. A van. And we said before, a or an means only one. I can see 2 trucks. More than one, S plural. 2 trucks. And a bicycle. A bicycle. What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? Please show me. I can see 3 motorbikes. Motorbikes. They are small. They are small. I can see a train. I can see a, it's only one. A train. It's big. Now, in the same page, page 68 in your student's book, exercise number 2, look, read, and complete. We have a words box. We have 3 words, cars, airplane, and boats. Now, I can see 3. We are going to choose the plural words. We have the 2 plural words, cars with S plural, boats with S plural, and airplane is only 1. The airplane, it doesn't have any S plural, so it's only 1 airplane. So I can see 3 cars. I can see 3 cars, 3 boats, and an airplane. Language use. Exercise number 1, page 69 in your student's book. Please open page 69 in your student's book. Exercise number 1, look and circle. Number 1, you are going to look at this picture and you are going to choose if you can or can't see this vehicle or this kind of transportation mean. Number 1, I can or can't see a car. Look at the picture. I can or can't? Yes, I can. Circle can because I can see a car. Number 2, I can or can't see a train. Look at the picture. Is there any train? No. So I can't. Cannot, can't. I can't see a train. Number 3, can you see a bus? Yes, I can. Look at the picture. You can see a big bus. So, yes, I can. Number 4, can you see a bicycle? Yes. Can you see it? Yes. So, we are going to choose yes, I can. Exercise number 2 in the same page. What can you see? You will look again at the picture above and you are going to read and complete. Number 1 is already done. I can see 9 cars. You are going to count. Number 2, I can see how many bicycles? Look at the picture. How many bicycles you can see? I can see 1 bicycle. Excellent. I can see 1 bicycle. What can you see? I can see how many bus? Look at the picture and count with me. Only 1 bus. So write 1 bus. Number 4, I can see, look at the picture, how many vans? 2 vans. That's correct. Number 5, I can see, look at the picture and count with me. How many motorbikes? 2 motorbikes. 2 motorbikes. And the last one, number 6, I can see how many traffic lights? Look at the picture again. 3 traffic lights. 3 traffic lights. And this is our lesson for today. Thank you for listening to me. See you next time.